10 Baking Soda Beauty Tips. Baking soda is a versatile and natural substance that is made from sodium carbonate, soda ash, or sodium bicarbonate. It is a known fact that baking soda has numerous uses including baking, deodorizing, everyday cleaning, and best of all, beauty. Many beauty products can be created in the convenience of your own home using a box of affordable baking soda and a few other ingredients. 1. Relaxing bath. To create a relaxing bath, add 1/2 cup of baking soda to your bath water. This will leave your skin feeling refreshed and smooth. 2. Foot care. To give your feet a treat, mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda in a tub or basin of warm water. Soak your feet for desired amount of time. Then, create a paste of baking soda and water and gently scrub your feet with it. Your feet will thank you for this. 3. Clean brushes and combs. To clean brushes and combs by removing natural build-up of oil and hair product residue, soak combs and brushes in a solution of 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small tub or basin of warm water. Rinse combs and brushes thoroughly. Allow them to dry before use. 4. Skin exfoliant. To create a gentle skin exfoliant, create a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Rub the mixture in a gentle circular motion to exfoliate your face and/or body. Rinse baking soda off with warm water. 5. Hair care. For beautiful, shiny, and more manageable hair, sprinkle a 1/4 size of baking soda into the palm of your hand, and mix it with your favorite shampoo. Shampoo your hair as normal and rinse thoroughly. The baking soda and shampoo mixture will help remove product residue, allowing your hair to be cleaner. 6. Whiter teeth. For whiter teeth, brush your teeth with baking soda. Rinse out your mouth with water when finished. 7. Baking soda bath oil, for 1 bath. To create a soothing bath oil, you will need 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 8 fluid ounces of honey, 16 fluid ounces of milk, 16 tablespoons of sea or cooking salt, and 4 fluid ounces of baby oil. In a large bowl, mix the baking soda, honey, milk, and salt. Stir well. Pour the mixture in a bath of warm water and add the baby oil. Use your hands to stir the mixture with the water, and step into your soothing bath. 8. Rough skin. To smooth rough skin on your elbows, knees and other areas, make a paste of baking soda and water, rub on skin. Rinse away with warm water. 9. Nail care. To soften your cuticles and clean your nails, apply baking soda to your cuticle brush. Now, scrub your nails and cuticles for great-looking nails. 10. Dry shampoo. Running late and don't have time to shampoo? Mix 1 part baking soda, 1 part baby powder, and 3 drops essential oil. Apply the mixture to the roots of your hair, including bangs, and comb through. This mixture will absorb excess oils and freshen up your hair. So grab your box of baking soda and start creating your own spa-like beauty products today. Thanks for watching.